Don't be perfect. Be brave. Speak English. Good evening. Good evening. Are you ready for dinner? Good evening. Are you ready for dinner? Good evening. How was your day today? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you. Nice to meet you. I hope we can work together. How's it going? Hey, John, how's it going? How's it going? Did you finish your project? Let's start with the first one. On the screen, it says, "What's your name?" Next, we have a polite version. And the third one is more casual. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. My name is David, and I'm from London. I don't understand. I don't understand this question. Sorry, I don't understand what you mean. I'm learning English. I'm learning English, so please speak slowly. I'm learning English and I want to improve my speaking. Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly? I want to understand. Please speak slowly. I'm still learning English. That's very kind. Thank you. You helped me a lot. That's very kind. Thank you. Oh, that's very kind. Thank you for your help. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card or only cash? Do you accept card payments? Let's look at our shopping phrases. And for specific items, I would like this sandwich, please. Practice these. Please help me with this. I really appreciate it. I am feeling tired. I need to rest. Please help me with this. I really appreciate it. I am feeling tired. I need to rest. How was your day? I hope it went well. Dinner is ready. Let us eat together. Thank you for your support. It means a lot to me. Excuse me, please. Can you help me? Nice to meet you. I am happy to meet you. I am learning English. Please speak slowly. That sounds good. I agree with you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Turn left. The shop is there. Come here. Class, let's practice these phrases. I am ready for class. I am paying attention. I need some help. I did my homework. Please check it. Can you repeat that? I did not understand. I like learning English. It helps me communicate. I am thankful for this interview. I am excited to be here. I have the skills for this job. I am ready to learn more. Now let's practice for school. Watch me write. I have completed my assignment. Please review it. I need more time. I want to do this well. I will follow up on this. I will get back to you. I am available right now. How can I help? I have a question about this. Can you explain it? I understand the instructions. I will proceed. I am waiting for your feedback. It will help me improve. Let's see an example on the computer. I am facing a small issue. I will send the report today. Thank you for your guidance. I really appreciate it. I am learning this process. I am improving. I need clarification. I want to avoid mistakes. Let's learn some more polite phrases. I will make the changes. Thank you for the suggestion. I am almost finished. I need a little more time. Hello. Today we're practicing how to ask for things. For example, I would like this sandwich, please. Now you try. Chapter of 1, English Sounds and Confidence. A, B, C, D. Hello. Yes. No, I can speak English. Chapter 2, Basic Everyday Words. This is a book. That is a chair. I see a man. I have a pen. It is good. Chapter 6, Talking about yourself. I am happy. I am a student. I live here. I like music. I want coffee. Chapter 7, Family and Friends. This is my mother. This is my father. I have one sister. He is my friend. Chapter 8, Food and Drinks. I like rice. I eat bread. I drink tea. This food is good. I am hungry. Chapter 10, Places and Directions. I am at home. Go straight. Turn left. The shop is there. Come here. Chapter 11, Feelings and Health. I feel good. I am tired. I am sick. I feel happy. I need help. Chapter 12, Work and Daily Activities. I work here. I start work at 8. I finish work at 5. I use a computer. I like my job. I finish work at 5. I use a computer. I like my job. Chapter 13, Shopping and Money. How much is this? I want this. This is cheap. This is expensive. Here is the money. Okay, let's review. I would like this, please. Now moving on to chapter 14, Travel and Transport. For example, I take the bus and I go by car. My name is Anna. Nice to meet you. Welcome.